Solutions HOCl Water Tank Cleaner, a game changer for water tank maintenance and deep cleaning. Solutions HOCl Water Tank Cleaner is more than just another water cleaning product. It's a revolutionary, eco-friendly solution designed to transform water tank maintenance and deep cleaning. Powered by hypochlorous acid, HOCl, a naturally occurring compound. This cleaner delivers exceptional results while prioritizing effectiveness and sustainability. Named Hawaii's #1 water tank cleaner for 3 years running. It's trusted by professionals and backed by science to keep your water fresh and ready to use. Why it's special? Powerful cleaning action. HOCl neutralized the stains from bacteria, algae and mold through natural oxidation. Cleans your tank and helps maintain fresh, odor-free water. No drainage required for normal maintenance. Unlike traditional methods of bleach and other chemical cleaners that often require draining and rinsing the tank. Solutions HOCl Water Tank Cleaner can be used without having to drain your tank, saving your time and effort while maintaining cleanliness. Eco-friendly and extremely effective. After breaking down contaminants, HOCl decomposes into simple salt and water, making the cleaning process extremely effective and perfect for your family and the environment. Trusted and proven. Supported by over 55 scientific studies. Recognized by respected organizations like the WHO, EPA and NIH. Endorsed by professionals like Rex Reed, with 40 years of experience. Hawaii's top choice for water tank cleaning 3 years in a row. Just add 1 scoop per 1,000 gallons of water. Wait about an hour. And enjoy clean water. Repeat monthly for ongoing protection. Keeps your tank clean and your water fresh for up to a full month with each application. Enjoy peace of mind with every application, knowing you're backed by science and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Get it now at one of the local Big Island authorized dealers, or at solutionshocl.com and leave the bleach behind, and experience the difference in our eco-friendly products.